Thank you, Your Honor. Based on the reports from the various posts, we were informed that the U.S. is trying to send more rockets to Iran. And then the president is also trying to have a say on who will be the next leader of Iran. So the projection from the reports that we receive, it will take 4 weeks to 8 weeks. It's not like the previous Israel-Iran war, which only took 12 days. Because of this, we receive reports that Iran would like to negotiate, but it was discounted by the Iranian government. And Trump has said yesterday that he's more ready for war this time. So we hope it will end soon, but based on the situation, I think it will be a protracted war. And this is an unconventional war. That's why we are doing unconventional also assistance to our OFWs. Thank you, sir.